In this video, I'll show you how to migrate from Asana to Jira. First, open your Asana workspace and review the projects you want to move. Before exporting anything, clean up your tasks if possible. Remove duplicates, close old items, and make sure task names, descriptions, assignees, due dates, and statuses are correct. Next, decide how your Asana structure should match Jira. In Asana, you may have projects, sections, tasks, and subtasks. In Jira, you will usually work with projects, issues, issue types, statuses, epics, tasks, and subtasks. Planning this mapping before migration helps avoid confusion later. Now export your Asana project data. Open the Asana project, click the project menu, and look for the export option. In many cases, you can export the project as a CSV file. Save the file to your computer. Next, open Jira and log in to your Atlassian account. Create a new Jira project or open the existing project where you want to import the Asana tasks. Go to Jira settings or project import tools and choose import from CSV. Upload the Asana CSV file, then start mapping the fields. For example, map the Asana task name to the Jira summary, task notes to the description, assignee to assignee, due date to due date, and status to status. If Jira asks you to choose issue types, you can import most Asana tasks as tasks. If you have smaller work items under tasks, map them as subtasks if your CSV is prepared correctly. Before completing the import, review the field mapping carefully. This is the most important step, because incorrect mapping can create messy tickets. After the import finishes, open your Jira project and check the results. Review a few imported issues to confirm the title, description, assignee, due date, and status were transferred correctly. Finally, invite your team, update workflows, and let everyone know when Jira becomes the main place for project work. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.